Good morning, friends. Welcome to my vlog. So, in this video, I'm gonna give you a house tour to my home sweet home in Sweden. So, let's begin. So, this is the main entry, and tada! So, this is our entry. So, this is the entry area where you can sit here and change your shoes, and the coat area. This is my favorite part, mirror, जहाँ पे आप तैयार होकर के अपने को देख सकते हैं. Okay, so let's begin. This is my temple. जय हो माता रानी. वैसे आज है नवरात्रि, so happy नवरात्रि to all. And this you can see, this is a cabinet. Okay. और फिर यहाँ से है, ये है हमारा डाइनिंग एरिया, छोटा सा टाइनी. एंड दिस इज़ अ लिविंग एरिया वेयर यू कैन सी माई लिटिल बेबी हैविंग फन. से हाय एवरीवन. नो, नॉट इन अ मूड. ओके. और यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं व्यू बाहर का. और ये रहा हमारा लिविंग एरिया एंड टीवी. And there are my cutie pies. Hi, baby. Hello, shark. Yes, that's Vivan's favorite. And there we go, our kitchen. Ta-da! और ये रहा हमारा बेडरूम, स्मॉल टाइनी बेडरूम. See my Vivan's favorite bed sheet. This is a beautiful painting. These are the cupboards. So yeah, this is heater, if you don't know, guys, which is must, and you will find them in every house of Sweden. And there is a small tiny balcony where I can't go right now because it's too cold outside. So yes. And this is our bathroom. This is shower area. And that's my washing machine. As you find this mug in each and every Indian house, I guess.
High hopes.
Okay, start.
Here's High Hopes by Panic at the Disco on Amazon Music.
So now it's Vivan's special performance. There you go. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.